Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Dremel tool. This will be a full tutorial and a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a Dremel in my hand. This is actually the Dremel 8220, which is a high-performance rotary tool. It's a top-of-the-line Dremel, but this tutorial is meant for all different Dremels. So I'm going to show you the basics of using this one, but things that can be applied to any Dremel. First and foremost, if your Dremel is battery-powered, you can remove the battery usually just by pressing down on some tabs, just like that. And then it's likely going to also have a charger. Let me pull this out of the box. I tucked it away nicely in there. It's also going to have a charger, so you can go ahead and plug it in and charge it up like that, and then plug it into a wall outlet. Let it charge. When it's done, you pop it out, and you can reinsert it into the Dremel just like this, and you're good to go, okay? So that's how to charge it and sort of deal with the power. If your Dremel is one that you plug in, then you're gonna obviously plug it into a power source. Very simple and straightforward. How to turn on a Dremel tool, okay? If you look right here, this is a switch right here, an on and off switch, okay? Now, before I continue, I should actually have this piece on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this quickly. Place this back on here really quickly, just because I want to demonstrate really the right way to do it properly, okay? So once again, turning the Dremel on. Let's lock the collet in place nicely, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. Turning the Dremel on, there's going to be a switch right here, somewhere along there. It's going to likely be marked on and off. You flick it on, the Dremel will turn on and off, just like that. Very simple. Changing the speed of the Dremel. There's likely going to be a slider bar of some sort. It might also be a wheel that you can turn, and it's going to have different numbers on it, and you can turn the speed up or down. Now, in most Dremels, you can do this when it's off, so I can increase the speed, start it up like that, okay, or decrease it like that, or you can even do it while it's on, which is a very, very useful thing. So check this out. While the Dremel's on, I can increase or decrease the speed. Extremely useful and easy to do, okay? Now, how to change accessories and bits, okay? So whenever I change an accessory or bit, for the most part, I like to pop out the battery or unplug the Dremel just so it doesn't automatically turn on by accident or anything like that if I flick the switch by accident. So if you want to change an accessory, check this out. You unscrew it, you screw in the accessory that you want to use, just like that. Very simple. You can see that there are threads right over here on the neck of the Dremel. You just unscrew the old one, you screw in the new one. Very simple. If you want to change a bit, on the other hand, then check this out. I'm going to place this shaft back in place over here. But essentially, there's going to be a lock mechanism right here. So I'm going to lock this down. Actually, I'll do this with this off, just so you can get a better view of what it looks like. There we go. So I'm going to hold down the locking button, and I'm applying pressure on the locking button, and I'm twisting the collet counterclockwise. Now the locking button just really pushed down, so I know this shaft is locked, and I can unscrew the collet. If you want to use a different collet, you unscrew the one that's on there while still holding that down. You can screw on your new collet, okay? If you want to change a bit, you make sure that your collet is nice and loose. You take your bit, you place it inside like that, making sure it's nice and straight and true and balanced, because it's rotating. You want it to be true and balanced. And while this is still being held down, you tighten up the collet by twisting it clockwise until it's really tight. Then you can release the lock button, and you're good to go at that point. Really easy, simple, straightforward to do. So I've gone over that. I've gone over how to use it. And I can use it with this on right now, with this bit on. But as you can see, there's no battery in there. So as you can see right here, really easy to use. And in addition, there are countless bits and accessories you can get. This is just the ones that came with the Dremel that I got right now. But there are tons. It is probably one of the most capable tools. You can use it to cut, sand, polish, etc. I mean, you could really go crazy with this thing. There are tons of things to do. But that's basically it. That is how to use a Dremel tool, a full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.